The News4Jax I-team is working to get answers for employees at UF Health Jacksonville. They're still waiting for holiday and overtime pay after a ransomware attack crippled the payroll department. Several workers have contacted our investigators complaining that they're owed hundreds, and in some cases thousands of dollars in overtime and shift pay, and are being given no definite time frame as to when they'll be paid. Now, investigator Jennifer Waugh is finding out your legal rights to getting paid.
Most of the workers who've contacted our I-team work at UF Health Jacksonville, but we have also heard from employees at Baptist Health, Southeast Georgia Health System, which is in Brunswick, and even PepsiCo, to name a few. All say they are not getting paid for all the extra hours they worked since Kronos, the company that supports payroll departments, was attacked a month ago. Now we're getting answers to the top 4 questions that these workers are asking about their legal rights.
The Fair Labor Standards Act gives them a lot of support, a lot of legal recourse there.
Employment attorney Ted Delagal says the good news is that workers owed money are protected under federal law to be paid what they are owed, but says there is no specific timeline as to when a company has to pay that money, which addresses one of the questions raised by employees at UF Health. Can you get fired if you stop working because you're not getting paid what you're owed? The answer is yes.
If the employee just walks off the job because he or she hasn't been paid, they're still entitled to the money, but there's nothing, I mean, that they voluntarily quit at that point.
What if they kept working but just said, look, I'm not working any more overtime or shift differentials because I'm not getting paid for it?
Well, they don't really have the right to do that. I mean, you could, especially in a non-unionized workplace or something like that.
Another question, many employees tell us that they are worried about complaining to their boss about the money that's owed because they might lose their job. Delagal said you should never be punished for advocating for yourself or others, and that you are protected under the National Labor Relations Act. Something else, Delagal says be sure that you are keeping your own records of the time you worked.
The hospital doesn't have the records. And if Kronos has lost the records or they've been stolen through the hacking or whatever, at that point, since it's the hospital's duty to maintain the records, if the employees went to court against them, the employees' records would be what prevailed, because the hospital could not say those aren't the right records. You have to go by what the employee says.
Employees at Baptist Health tell the I-team if their paycheck is short more than 50% of their normal pay, Baptist will cut them a manual check. As for UF Health Jacksonville, it is offering virtual town hall meeting sessions this week and says its employees will be paid all the extra hours they worked when Kronos is back online. Kronos has not released a specific time when this will be resolved, and the hospital tells the I-team it is not making any more comment about the ransomware attack. Jennifer Waugh, Channel 4, the local station.